Today I'm going to go over exactly how you can make money in the meme coin trenches in 2025 because the strategy has completely changed. Right now, a lot of money is not being made on these super low cap coins. You would know if you've been following my channel for over a year that a lot of initial money was actually made on these super low cap coins. But right now, where the biggest opportunity is in trading these larger cap already established coins. These type of coins, we can ensure that they're not just going to dump to zero, because you'll see with a lot of these type of coins, it just went from a 5 million market cap, already dumped 50% in just a couple of seconds right before our eyes. That's just something that's not going to be tradable consistently. So rather than looking to get 100x on a $10 or $20 trade, we can be much more consistent and actually make 20 or 30% on $1,000 trade. So that's really where the overall strategy has completely changed. A lot of the time, I'm actually beginning here on Deck Screener to see what's trending, to see what the current narrative is in the meme coin market, because it's always changing from AI agents over to funny and different memes or different animal coins. So that's always consistently changing. And I'm looking for coins that do have a bit more of a consistent background. You'll find coins that are literally just launching second after second. There are thousands and thousands of coins, and it's really just not super profitable to be looking for those quick 100% gains on a super small trade. You actually have a lot more consistency, making 20 or 30% on $1,000 trade on coins like Fcoin or a lot of these larger cap coins. I'm finding that there's actually a lot of traders taking advantage of this current meme coin market. We're seeing a trader like Cupsy, who's made millions of dollars in this meme coin market. If you actually look at a lot of his trades, he's literally in for just a couple of seconds. The reason he's doing that is because so many people are copy trading him. So what's actually happening is he's entering a trade, then thousands of traders are coming in behind him, pushing up the price massively, and then he's just able to exit, not because he's found a super great coin with a really awesome narrative. He's basically making profit because you guys have pushed up the price, and then he sells into you, and then he makes a profit, and he's then shown as one of the most consistent traders every month. When you are copy trading, it can be super profitable, but you don't want to be looking for these massive calls. You want to be finding individual traders that are really unknown and are also unknown to other copy traders, so you're not having to fight for those transactions where price is quickly increasing after that initial buy. What you'll find is a lot of these massive traders are rolling their profits into these much larger cap crypto meme coins like Fcoin, because they're actually able to finally trade with size. With these super small market cap coins, if you enter for even just one Salana, a couple of $100, you're going to spike the price up massively. Whereas with a coin like Fcoin, you could literally be trading with hundreds of thousands of dollars and barely affect the price. So you'll find these traders making huge money in these low cap meme coins, and then they roll the profits into these huge cap meme coins, because a lot of people really sleeping on Fcoin. Down here, it was at nearly a $200 million market cap, and everybody was, Fcoin's finished, it's over, but it was still on. In the massive news outlets, everybody was still talking about Fcoin, and it went from a $200 million market cap right now sitting at $1.4 billion market cap. It made a 700% gain. So a lot of people are thinking, you can't make massive gains in these super large market cap coins. Well, you can. And not only that, but you can get in a lot of size. So as I said before, I'd rather be making 30% on my $1,000 consistently rather than looking for those moonshot 200% plays on on a really small amount of Solana. Really, the exact same thing can be said about Solana here. Everybody was sleeping on Solana when we were down at this $90 range, but absolutely everybody on crypto Twitter was saying, oh, we have a huge opportunity right now on Solana. If you get in at 250, it's going to go to 500. So everybody was buying here at 250, but when it was down here at this $90 range, nobody was buying. You really have to be doing the opposite of what your mental state is telling you. At 250 we want to be buying. Actually, that was a great position once we spiked above this high to be getting out even at just a portion of your Solana. And the opposite, rather than down here everybody's saying, oh, we've broken this low, now's the time to be getting out of Solana. Well, actually, here was the perfect opportunity to be collecting Solana at $90, and it's nearly up 100% on one of the biggest market cap coins. Really, when we are looking at all of these latest meme coins, there are still some opportunities, but we really need to be thinking, what coin has the potential to last more than 24 hours? Because if you actually backtrack, close to 99% of all of these meme coins don't even last 24 hours. So the real trading opportunity for them is in such a small window, trading in a 30-second time frame or a 60-second time frame, really just getting super quickly in and out of the trade. Whereas that's not going to be a super long-term profitable strategy. We want to be looking for coins that actually have the potential to turn into a narrative, ones that can actually last more than 24 hours. Again, we'll give it that potential for that consistency, because a lot of these coins that are lasting less than 24 hours are spiking up to a couple of $100,000 in market cap and then just collapsing back to basically zero. And really, one of the best things to be doing is to find consistency in one of the larger market cap coins. And if you can consistently trade Fcoin, then you can use and imply that strategy into some smaller market cap coins. I find that this fast and extremely quick trading market on a lot of these early meme coins that are just pumping and then dumping in just a few seconds makes it extremely hard for a lot of these new traders to find consistency. So I'm saying the best way is to be looking into these larger market cap coins, find consistency, find a profitable strategy that really works for you, and then you can deploy those strategies onto the smaller cap coins. I find that a lot of people do it completely backwards. They're trying to get these 10,000x gains on a $20 buy on these small market cap coins, when they could really find consistency over here on these larger cap meme coins. A super important aspect of meme coin trading is having the fastest exchange and the best tools available. That's why I'm actually using Axiom Pro. You get double the rewards, you get 10% off all of your trading fees, and you'll get access to their airdrop. So don't forget to use the link in the video description. I'm always trading with Axiom Pro and also Telegram trading bot TradeWiz. So I'm saying that the best meme coin strategy for trading in the trenches right now is finding a coin with a strong history that's been around for multiple weeks and look to buy on a pullback. Again, there's so much potential even here on a smaller but large history cap coin. Here, house coin, around 25 million market cap. It tripled up to a 75 million market cap. This is going to be the best strategy for consistency, for trading in size. You will find the long-term profitability to be much, much higher when you're using this type of strategy compared to a really short-term scalping version of meme coins.